Hi everyone, welcome to itman channel. I'm Young and I had you with me today about Windsurf. This is a new AI editor. I think you're gonna love this one because right now it's free for trial for 2 weeks and you should give it a try. This product bring from Codium team. I love this tool because this company they provide free for a lot of editor. I had been used Codium a long time ago and I really love that one because that's free on a lot of editor and you can use on Nevim, your VS Code or even email on your browser. A lot of things you can just choose your editor and use this one. And now they release a new editor called Windsurf, and this one they had a new feature. It's called Cascade, and I will suggest you take a look on this video. It's just a few minutes how it look like, and you're gonna love the flow and how it's working. And for me, they have interesting feature about like full contact awareness. And at this moment, if you have something, you can ask and if you scan everything on your repo, on your cost base. Or, or another thing I found this amazing because if you run something and you get the error, this also detecting how you can run this one. For example, this the Python process and running, and at this moment, it detecting you missing some command or the library just forget to do it. And another I found this interesting. This is like the flow. Sometimes you're working on something and you left the II and you just working something and then you finish, you just say continue while work like this one. If we keep understand what is your intention, then it's a get. And at normal, this I think a lot of editor, even VS Code right now, you can have the multi-file editing. And I would say Cursor is the famous one and more interesting tool for this feature. I use a lot with Cursor Compose, so I can work in multiple file edit at one time in a conversation and the chat chain adjust the way I do. For today demo, I just do what I think that's the best right now because it's quite new. It just released 4 days ago, and with me it's not fully capable yet. It's just under general available, so everyone can give it a try and take a look. The first thing you need to go to the website and click on downloads, and this will give you to where you want and just choose the depend on your system. Right now I'm on Mac, so I'm just to Apple Silicon. So I just click download this one. If you on instead, just do the same. If you don't have that, I already have that one, so I just skip this one. If you on different environment, you can see this one. They have all the options, so you can choose the file you want on Mac, Linux, on Windows. And this is easy for you. Even though if you want to use this one, you can easily migrate from your VS Code to Windsurf easily. One good thing about Codium team, they had a very nice UI for you to get started. And this document from Codium team, the first thing when you choose the guideline depend on your OS system. So the onboarding very straightforward. You can set up by import your vehicle attention or start fresh. Then you choose the styling, typeing, or everything theme, and the next step is sign in or login. If you had an account, you just sign in, and then it will open Codium website. The good thing about this one, even you try different flow, you can always import the configuration from Windsurf easily. So let me open Windsurf. So if I open this one, so this just a sample on my process with sketchy bar. So if I open the menu, so from this moment, if you want, you can just import. So you have two options. You can import your vehicle attention or vehicle setting. So it will have all the things easily migrate for you. So the first thing when I open this one, I migrate all the setting attention from my VS Code. So it had a similar UI. I had like everything on the sidebar. I moved to the right, so I can toggle it at normal, but it's more simple. And all the icon I put on bottom. Then the new thing is custom by on Windsurf Editor. So on the left here, they had two things important. That the chart, and they had two modes. So you have the write mode here, and you can toggle to chat mode. And this is useful when you want to ask a question or something like that. With the write mode here, is we were like the flow. You're working on something just like it there. So then you can add the question, modify the file, and another I noticed this one is very friendly that you can see the model with the RI easily. Just choose which one you want. For me the Cloud 3.5 SunNest is the best right now. And at normal, like a lot of editor, you have art, and then you have you can choose a file or you can choose a folder. Depend on what you're looking at right now, but still early right now, so that's the reason I cannot see the low file. If I open cursor on the right, so this is my cursor, and let me close everything. So I'm gonna open, so the same thing I had with stuff on the left and a cursor on the right, and this is a default. I don't like this much. This has all the setting on the top, and they have the to go. But if you already know the key binding, that is command L, and this, you can solve this easily, or you use command shift B, command option B, so you can toggle this easily. So for me, I don't need to have this open all the time, so I keep it simple and minimum UI. I just hide custom title bar. And if you want, you can enable it easily. You can show, or you can open the menu again. Like you can turn it off. You can easily switch it off, or you can use the command. And if I show you one more thing, same here on the cursor, because it's still early for Windsurf, so I see different. I had a lot of thing on the ask command, and if I move to here, I just only had three options. So for me, cursor still far ahead with Windsurf. And another thing I love about this editor is the custom. So if I open something, it will on the center. So like this command line. So if I search readme file and open readme file, so it's quite nice to see this behavior. And another thing I love this one, if I ask something question, and it will show you. Let me navigate to, for example, this is another project I'm working on. And for this one, at the same thing, whenever you open the project, it will show you what is left off. And the left sidebar will be the UI from Windsurf, and it just is shown on the default. If you don't want to modify something, you can go to the setting, and they have a UI. Click on the UI. Now I'm gonna click on the Windsurf. You have all the settings. You say you want open this on the top. You can custom the font size. You want show autocomplete on yes, and because this is a fork of VS Code, so all the attention come from openvss.org, so all the attention is so. And just I let almost everything. And if you want to see some custom control for this one, I had at the end here. So this is what I have right now. So autocomplete speed the fast, so it's get faster, and I turn off the cascade already lost, and the font size a little bit bigger because right now I use the external monitor, so it's easy to read for me. And the custom on the top here. So right now I turn it off. And one small thing I love about this one is this on the top here. When I open the file, and let me open like CLI DS file. So if I open the file, as I hover on the line, just sometimes you're gonna see it detects thing for example, this it's just a function, and you have three options. So it's say explain. If I click on this one, it will try to explain what this function do, and it analyze the cause at the line and explain to me. So it gives the nice uses and how it's using this function. Or on this one, I can add docstring to press this one. It's weak, so it's in here, and you say, okay, if you see this good, I just accept this. And after that, you can limit the deep beyond. So this is, or if you see something is not very nice, you can say, okay, I want to refactor this one. Just click this one and say, okay, what do you want to refactor? So all I made this here, even not on Windsurf, you can see this behavior on Codium attention, on vscode, on Nelvim. So you have similar behavior. So you can say, okay, I want to ask command upstream to the code. So it just a small thing. And if you don't want, you just say, okay, reject all, or you can accept per line here. So I can reject all to discuss all the thing. Or you can accept all the chain. All right. This is the final thought on this one. For me, this Cascade feature is quite new, and something is we change the way working with the AI editor. And on this documentation, I was get to see how it's working. Like you can choose the model, you can switch between the mode here. You can collaborate real time with continue. Like whenever you lay off something, you can ask continue to it's working, and it's just understand what is your intention. Or you can set the tool if you run something and it's got the error, it's detect the error and suggest something correct to run from CLI. And the final thing, you can revert to previous state if you say, okay, I don't want this state, and you can revert previous step. And you have the free for 2 weeks to access all the feature now. So you can test the editor. And a lot of people say what available after this interval available. So from this one here, you can see you can still use this editor at free, but if we limit this, if you on free account, and which means I would say it's maybe a cost around $10. It's still cheaper with cursor. And if you can go to the pricing and you see this planning. So if you don't care much, you can just use normal and use the limited or you love this idea and you just say, okay, this good for you. I would suggest to just go to it pro. It's good. And if you're on a team, I don't know yet because I didn't try this one. So I would say it maybe had some advance about organization analytics or zero data retention. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoy this kind of video. See you next time. Bye bye.